Dude, that's going savage. It's going savage.
It just crashed.
The helicopters did.
But savage.
Savage equals immortal.
That's right in the rocks.
What the?
What? Helicopter don't work on rocks. What if... No, no, no.
Dead! Ala! Patay!
Make a hole, make a hole.
Should I record this? Oh my goodness! Dude, it's doing the slick back. That is a complete Sigma over there.
Bro!
That is a Sigma over there. I'm recording. I gotta show your face so it may be a part of the video.
Wait.
Oh damn! Damn!
Then this is 7.
No comment over here. I'm just taking a break. So just let it rest there. I just got people. People.
Just turn off. Let's go, Islam.
Alright, should I make it 3 minutes or 6 minutes?
Your choice.
Alright, I choose 6 minutes.
The helicopter is there.
It looks exhausted. Exhausted. What? I don't know how to fly anymore.
Bro, just fly on it.
Sorry, we just gotta wait for another minute, so we're just gonna wait a minute.
Bro, your helicopter's stuck, bro. Look at this.
What?
Your helicopter's stuck. It doesn't.
Then don't put it in rocks. Well, I'm gonna take a break. While I'm just talking to the viewers, the ones that are watching this. So viewers, please support my channel. My goal is 100 subs. So please make that come true. It's my dream. So thank you for this. So this is it for, and I'll name this. Well, I don't know what is the name or title. Well, back to the video. Yo, Lance, what's happening?
Maybe it's small, but let's try it again.
Yeah, don't put it in rocky rock. Don't put in rocky rock. I will put it to 5:30 minutes.
Bro,
Dude, it did. Patay.
Yo, you just ran.
The wings are not fine. So, the video is ending. Goodbye. Goodbye.